I just spent an entire day on the road to meet with a client. Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks to you for listening in and watching. And of course, be nice to my sponsors who helped me to do this for the last few years. Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, Electro Voice, Perfect Portals, the Disc Jockey Event Planner, and of course my workshop, the Entertainment Experience. So yeah, I just spent the entire day on the road to spend an hour with a client to create something that's going to last 2 minutes during their wedding. A lot of people ask me, a lot of colleagues ask me, why would you do that? Why? You're not even at the wedding yet. Why would you spend that much time and that much energy on something that is going to last a few minutes? Why would you drive so far when you could do something so much easier? Well, the question is, why don't you? Why would you look for the easy way to not do this? That's what I usually find. Is they hear that I do a thing or somebody else does a thing, and then they talk to me about a way to do it with half the amount of time, half the amount of effort. Something that takes me 8 hours to collect and another 5 hours to create, they can do in 30 minutes. Why wouldn't you do it that way, Bill? Well, why wouldn't you do it my way? What is it about doing it my way that isn't helping, that makes it worse or makes it better, right? I mean, honestly, you need, well, I don't think you need to. What I need is to bring forth the best product, okay? I need to do the best work. I want them to say that what I did for them rivaled something from Hollywood or a professional studio. I need that because as an artist and as a professional artist, I want a certain quality for my clientele. And well, for me, I want a certain quality for my clientele. So I got to go out of my way to do what's necessary. Do you have something like that? Do you do? That you do whatever it takes to be sure that no matter what, your product rivals anything that can be done in professional theater or television or movies or film? What are you willing to do? You may or may not have the tools. Maybe that's what it is. I have some tools. I don't have all the tools, but I have pretty good tools. And at the end of the day, they have to be able to say to me, he did everything. I mean, literally, this client only had to spend an hour with me today. I spent 7 hours on the road to spend an hour with them to get 40 minutes worth of audio that I only need about 30 seconds to use to create a 2-minute piece that'll probably take me, 3.5, 4 hours to create. Is that worth it? I don't know. For me, it is, because I look at this from a different perspective. I look at this from an artist's perspective. And an artist says, at least this artist says, do whatever it takes to get it right, to make it perfect, to make it so nothing can rival it. You do your best work with the best tools, with the best audio, always. Don't take any chances on anything to make it perfect. That's what I need to do. That's probably what makes me successful, or that's probably the thing that makes clients talk about me. What is it for you? And if it's not that, okay, but maybe the question you need to ask yourself if you're looking to evolve is, why isn't it that for you? Why is it that you are not at a place where you're going to do whatever it takes to be sure that they will get the best out of you? The best. The best. What do you think of this? What kind of opinions do you have? Get back to me. Tell me what you think. This is Bill. This is Creative License. I will see you next week.